What's the meaning of caw? Caw. Caw.
Caw. Caw. The word caw is an onomatopoeic term that imitates the sound made by a crow, which is a large blackbird with a harsh, cawing cry. The word can also be used more broadly to describe any harsh or raucous sound that resembles the call of a crow. In literature, the caw of a crow is often associated with ominous or foreboding events, and it has been used symbolically to represent death, darkness, and evil forces. Overall, caw refers to the sound made by a crow and has negative connotations in literature.